Hello children, welcome to Sasu Fun Easy Learning. Today we are going to learn about ABC alphabet, so let's start the class. A for ant, A for ant. B for ball, B for ball. C for cat, C for cat. D for dog, D for dog. E for egg, E for egg. F for fish, F for fish. G for goat, G for goat. H for hen, H for hen. I for ice cream, I for ice cream. J for jam, J for jam. K for kite, K for kite. L for lion, L for lion. M for monkey, M for monkey. N for nest, N for nest. O for orange, O for orange. P for penguin, P for penguin. Q for queen, Q for queen. R for rabbit, R for rabbit. S for sheep, S for sheep. T for tiger, T for tiger. U for umbrella, U for umbrella. V for van, V for van. W for watch, W for watch. X for Xmas tree, X for Xmas tree. Y for yak, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zebra. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in next class. Bye bye.